Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. We're an education channel, sharing our ideas and learning from each other. We're swing traders, and today we're looking at the stock symbol NX, Quanex, building products. This is the weekly chart, and we're looking for stocks that swing. We're swing traders. We're trying to capture these major swings, and that would be some serious profit if you can capture that swing. And it's very easy to look at a chart like this and see the zigzag, which plots it out perfectly because it repaints itself to be perfect, gets new data, and then makes these tops and bottoms. So it's perfectly predicting it. But we don't have that ability. We're sitting here and have to make a decision. And we make those decisions through indicators. And this is the MACD. It says it's pointing up. Crossover of the stochastic coming around the bend. And this is the 8, the 20, and the 80. And this is the RSI, and this is 70 and 30. And it looks like it was oversold and come back around. When all three of those occur within a few bars of each other, that's an indication for me to go up. Just my strategy, trying to predict these tops and bottoms, which is the hard thing to do, and then capture the meat of the trend. The meat of the trend. This is TradingView. It's free. I have my setup in the description below. Let's take a look at this on the daily. Remember, weekly, each bar is 5 days of data. And I like that. I like to look at the weekly because it's filtered out some noise. And this is a daily. Swings nice as well. So what brought me to this Quanex building products, which I've never traded before? Well, I'm looking for stocks that are undervalued, a bargain. And this has been beaten down. You can see it been coming down. They have good fundamentals, in other words, profitable. Their revenues are growing, and recently I just added this criteria, but the principals or the insiders are buying the stock. And I want companies that I can touch and feel. So what I've done is I've made a screen and chose stocks that I can understand and touch, which eliminated sometimes the banking, which I do think is going to do good in a recession thing. But I eliminated the banking stocks and picked pharmaceuticals, some tech, some automobiles, transportation, utilities. And I scanned for insider buying, share price greater than $5, and some growth estimates. And PE was less than 15. And I came up with these 11 companies that I said, I'm going to take a look at them. And most of these I have not traded before. Makes purses, power boats. I just got into Patrick, which builds cabinets and things for RVs. In the next few days, I'm going to look at Lazy Boy and Ethan Allen. Today, I'm looking at Quanex. So I want to dive in a little further into this building products company. This building company makes components for the fenestration industry worldwide. Wow. What is fenestration? Well, I had to look that word up. Arrangement of windows and doors on the elevations of buildings. Fenestration refers to the openings, including doors, windows, and skylights. I'm going to tell you, I like that. I like this manufacturing segment. Cool with me. Company been around since 27. Looks like it does cabinet doors as well. This company is trading at $21.66 and should be trading at $44. That's $20. It's according to Simply Wall Street. There's some growth here. Not a lot. There's a company, and there's the industry, there's the market. Slow growth. Looks like it had slow growth in the past. 16% annual. Interesting. Hey, the reason why I like Simply Wall Street is I like the charts. It's simple for a simple person like myself. The assets, more assets than the liabilities. Pretty cool. And you look for these green check marks. And also, this is a snowflake. You look for a green snowflake versus an orange or a red one. And like I say, I did a query to find companies that were growing, undervalued, and have insider trading. I don't care about the dividend because I'm only a short-term trader. It does pay a small dividend, though. And it looks like two individuals bought nearly $800,000 worth of only nearly $900,000. Nearly $1 million. Maybe they know something. TipRanks does not have a buy rating for this stock, but it says it's right at current. It's ranked at 6, which there's the insider trading. There's the fundamentals. This company has strong fundamentals. The technicals are red, That's based on the 200-day moving average. This is below the 200-day moving average. I showed you where that stock was going down, below its 200-day moving average. But you have to ask yourself, has it been beaten up? The next earning dates, be careful, December 15th. We'll take a look at that a little closer. Going back to the chart, once again, on the weekly and drawing the fib. A lot of people use the fib to kind of predict where the stock is going to go. A lot of times I like to use the longer leg and then see where the 50% retracement, but it's already at that. So I'm using the shorter leg. There's your earnings. And you have to ask yourself, is it going to get up to here or here first? Or is it coming back down here? Do you think this is an upward trend or a reversal? Do you think the zigzag not knowing what it's doing? The MACD says it's going up. We have a upward trend on the stochastic RSI. And the RSI is up. Now, but it's getting almost into the overbought condition. Maybe it's going to go up and come back around. I don't know. But I think it's going to get here before it's here. I think it's going to get to 22 before it comes down to here. So I want to go long. Currently trading at 21.60, going up to 22. That's more than a dollar and a half. Taking 100 shares, that's $100, $80 to $100 if you bought the stock. But I don't want to do that. I want to do an option. So I have a free tool called Option Strat. Put the stock symbol in there. Select the strategy. This time I'm going to do a short put because this is only a $21 stock. Going out to December, right before Christmas. And I'm hoping it'll go up. I'm going to set my range to be about 8% because that's where I take my stop loss. Understand? So if it gets down here, I'm going to get out. So I'm going to lose $71 if it hits the stop. Or have the potential to make $193. $193 on a $500 investment is about 40%. I'm just guessing. My break even is 20. Currently trading at 21. And how I play it is I back tested to 20% and I try to stay in as long as I can and let this thing ride up. But if it starts coming back around, I'll take a profit whenever I see signs of getting out. And if I'm a little late, I lose $5 or $10. But I usually don't take the profits, or at least the last couple months, I have been hesitant to take the profits at the 12, and at one time it was 12% or 8%. So I'm going to let it ride and go for the 193. Stay above 2057. Let's go back to the chart and take one quick look at that. 2057 looks like about right there. So if it stays up above that till December, I get 193, or I'll take some profit early. What do you think of that trade? Going up? Going down? What's your decision? Let your comments below. Please like and subscribe. This is how I'm playing it. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Learn how to trade options. If you're not having a good day in the stock market, which I have a downward bias, and so the last week or so I'm not having that great a day. But if you took that time to educate myself and learn something new, and what I learned new in the last couple of weeks was that I should be looking at insider buying and help me predict my stuff. We'll see. See if it works out. It's like I say, it's something I just added. Old dog learning new tricks. Catch you on the flip. Happy trading.